Hello, hi there, Bowerbird Maker here for another episode, a brief one this time, of assembling this card that I have here. I'm using Concord and 9th Hello Friend stamp, and I'm also going to use the Sizzix dies for the leaves, as you see here. I've had this dies for a while, but I just wanted to use this for this particular card because they seemed complementary. And I shall be using normal cardstock. You can always just use your own cardstock. For the paper quilling, I'm using Stampin Up paper cardstock, the 2020 to 2022 colors. And this one comes in 5 colors, and I'm just using these for this particular card because they're very nice colors. So I shall leave you with some music while I assemble these cards. I hope to have given some inspiration. Happy making, and see you soon.